Hey, welcome back to another YouTube video. And today I'm going to actually tell you how much I made throughout these 4 years from my YouTube channel. So this is my main YouTube channel. This is Tig's Schooling. I have kind of uploaded around 600 videos on this channel, and there are around 49,000 0.7 subscribers. I hope you get me up to 1,00,000 subscribers. I've been working hard with my mate, and this is Mr. Ali Haider. So we have been working hard day and night to make this channel, a good platform for techie videos. And this is kind of an educational video. So this might help you realize that how far we have come and how much I make from this channel. And I'm actually not from United States, or I'm not from any other country. I'm from Pakistan. So this is kind of a way to tell you to all other Indian users, all other Pakistani users, all Filipino users, all those people that are belonging to the developing countries to get motivated and work online. So this is going to be a totally motivational video on how much I made on this channel till now. So if I go into my about, just give me a second. If I go into my about section, I'll just build up the curiosity. So I'll let you, like in the end, if you see the amount, so you will get excited that how much I made. So I'm kind of building up a curiosity. Just don't move the video ahead, because the watch time is really important for the YouTube algorithm to get this video on the uptrending moment. So I have, up till now, I have started this channel in 2018 in January. This is kind of, I opened my YouTube account, but I started later on around in mid of 2018 or around 2019. So till now I have got around 7.8 million views. So my whole data would be around on the basis of 7.8 million views. So in order to check how much I made on this channel, what I have to do is go into my YouTube studio. So there are a lot of things you might see on this channel. I'll just be waiting. As I told you, I made around 800, around 600 videos. So these, I've got community strikes before, and this is kind of how it looks like inside. I'll go to analytics, and this is kind of an overview. Last month I made around $330. I have not much of growing. The views are not performing really good. So what I would do, I'll go into revenue. And in here, last month I made, like, if I open up the in December, I made around $393. So don't expect to receive exactly this amount. You will be receiving $100 less than this amount because of US taxes. So what I will do now is I'm going to open it through, I'll first show you how I made it last year, like last 365 days. I made around $5,265 last 365 days. And if I open to lifetime, how much I made throughout the 4 years, and if you start from, this is where my channel got monetized in April of 2019. So till now I made around $26,742. You can see now on this screen, and I have got a good peak in between the years. So this was my highest peak. I used to make a lot of money in between those peaks, but now the channel got so down that I barely make some dollars. So if I go to overview and I show you how much views I had till now, so I have around 10.2 million views. This is also considered with my shorts. So these are total 10.2 million views, and there are 306k watch time, and I've received this much amount of subscribers. And this is how much I made. My most, why you must be wondering, having less views and earning more money is because there are certain niches, certain categories where you can make a lot of money. The first one could be in tech industry, the finance industry, the business industry. Just think of it, any industry that has advertisers willing to pay and promote their product. So any website, any category that works for you, just work on that, and you will soon arrive at this position on making this amount of money. So this is my channel overview and how I made this amount of money throughout my lifetime of 4 years. And if you find this video really helpful, and if you think this one is a motivational video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, and make sure to watch this video again and again, so that way the YouTube algorithm would put this video on the uptrending, and watch it till the full. And if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe to this channel, and I'll catch you on another video. And keep visiting Tig's Schooling, because we are going to tell you and keep you motivated on how you can be financially free. See you soon, and goodbye.